Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by x. Next, we have y, and first derivative of y. This is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We can see that positive 1 over x next to y, that is for integrating factor, and I will put this one going here. So the integration of this one, that is about xlnx, and this one you got about x. That means we need to multiply both sides by x. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So this one we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ap. So the integration of that one, we have sy. Now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to xlnx. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. dv, that is about s dx. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s squared over number 2. So this one we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So s squared divided by s, you got about s. So the integration of s, that is about s squared over number 2. So number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. Now we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And later that we divide both sides by s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.